Welcome to Tyler Young & Co. Gonna try to catch some walleyes. We'll see. Just set up. Sun just set. It's gorgeous, beautiful. Quite warm. Feels, I don't know, it's probably around 35 degrees. Holes are staying open. It's quite pleasant. Wind is 4 miles an hour. It's nice out here. And I'm the only one here, so I better whisper.
Oh, there's something. Decent size, whatever it is. Nice walleye. Hell yeah. Oh, so neat. That was on the little minnow, not the big minnow. Man, we got some walleye for Christmas. Walleye for Christmas, walleye for Christmas. It's beautiful, man. It's amazing. All right, let's get set up for another one. Oh no! It didn't. Oh, that's too bad.
Trying it again, the old predator versus the fooler. I'm on a different lake, very much in the metro, very close to home. Looks like he's guiding a line. Oh shit, his tent's rolling away.
Oh no. Is it busy?
Yeah, it sure is.
Crap. Ah.
Oh, and his kid's got the fish. They got a pike.
Oh, they did.
Yeah, they got a pike.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, his buckets are rolling. The kid's got a pike. I hope I can get all this in this shot. I'm a little ways away, but it is pretty entertaining.
Oh, okay. Look at that. But then I can have to go so I can get a shower. We still have to do some.
Oh shit, I got a flag. Okay, hang on, Mom. I gotta leave you. I gotta leave you here. You can hang up if you want to. It's like 4-pound line.
He's fishing. So he's out getting his fish and he wanted me to take him.
He's a little guy. He's gonna have to go back. Damn.
I'll ask him.
Beautiful. Oh my God, he almost hooked himself again. Mom, are you still there?
I am.
I'll be damned. So, yeah, I pulled in a pike.
Wow, how big?
Not very. Hell yeah. Right when I was getting ready to go. Little pike. Let's see how long he is. That guy is about 25 inches. Gonna have pike and walleye for Christmas. And I got bass too. We're gonna have some decisions to make. I'll have to call my mother-in-law. So we just did a little early morning prep for our Christmas dinner. I've got baked walleye. That's just oil, salt, and pepper. As for the pike, we're gonna steam it. I've made a concoction of garlic, lemongrass, black peppercorn, bay leaf. Then it's marinated in a soy sauce and a little bit of fish sauce and a little bit of salt. And I'm going to wrap it up in banana leaves, stick it in the fridge, and eventually we're gonna steam it and have a nice little Christmas get together with Pooh's mom.
There's much going on.
Jum Jum. Hi, buddy. Hi, cutie boy.
Oh shit.
What we got, Chef?
Making a little homemade lo mein,
What's homemade about it?
homemade noodle,
Homemade sauce.
homemade sauce.
That's perfect.
Here, bro. Oh, it smells so good.